Here is Baran Ashley. Down low pass inside. Yes, sir. Here's Lamano now. Looking to attack. Getting the basket. Ashley to Lamano with a reverse. Is Wade. Long pass inside. Yes, sir. Bayrante inside to Bana. Chris Bana. For three. Misses. Put back. Got it. Nando with 6 points now. Stopping pop three. Yes, sir. Chris Bana. Joseph. Inside with that one-hander. Pick up shot. Wide open jumper. No. Put back kay Lazaro. Nilinis pa yung ring. There's a knockout play inside from Chris Bana. Alfonso. It breaks away. Lamano. Touchdown. Kick out from this one three. Yes, sir. Argentines. Three. He pass. Espino. Inside. Espino Billy to Lamano. Running his way through. 40 foul. Here's Momoradlo. May rank for three. Yes, sir.